Good morning and Sairam all the students. I welcome you all. Children, today in drawing we will draw landscape with soft pastel colors. So let's start. First of all, we will start coloring sky. For that we will use yellow, black and green color. To make this painting, I am using soft pastel color, but if you are not having soft pastel colors, you can also use oil pastel colors. But before using oil pastel colors, you have to make rough sketch. Soft pastel colors are in powder form, so I am using them like this. To use these colors, we do not need to press the color too much. Now that we have spread this soft pastel color powder, I will start mixing it with my hands. After mixing each color, we have to keep in mind that we have to clean our hand with rough cloth. After mixing the color, I am using circle shape cutout and now I am using white color. And now I will start mixing it with my hand. After mixing color, I am making rings of the planet with white color. But if you want to make something as instead of planet, you can make it. Now I am using black, yellow, white and different green for detailing in planet. And beside coloring, I am also mixing it. Here I have used a little white color with yellow and now I am mixing it. Now I will make mountains and for that I am using black color here. Now very carefully I will give the shape of the mountain with dispersed color powder. Now I am using green, black and white color to make land and water. Now again after spreading color, I will use my hand for mixing. This painting looks a bit light, so I am giving a touch of all used colors again. In the same way, I am using green and black color to make the planet a little darker. Same process I am using for sky also. For detailing in mountains, I am directly applying black color stick and then I will merge this line with mountains. If you think that mountains are looking little light, then you can color it darker. After coloring it now, mix smoothly and equally with your hands. Now again I am going to use more white color here. Now this time we have to mix it smoothly and equally with our hands. As some lines are seen in this green color area, we will smooth the color to remove it. Now I will use blue color between water and mountains and then mix it with these colors. These colors are very soft, that's why we have to be very careful while mixing these colors. Few lines are seen in black color, so we will smooth it by coloring a little more. I am mixing in a way so that all the lines can be removed smoothly. Now, with the help of white color, I will show light in the mountains and then mix it with black color. Now I am using black color to make rocks, and then again I will mix it with my hands. Now here I am using green color, and then again I will mix it smoothly. Now we will use white color to highlight rocks and water. And after this, mix everything smoothly. You can also use white pen or correction pen to show the stars after completing the painting. So now in craft we will learn how to make flowers from fabric. To make the fabric flower, we will first take clothes. Now we will cut circles from these clothes. Now we will take the broomstick and cover it with newspaper. For that, we will first cut the newspaper into thin strips. After cutting the newspaper, now with the help of glue, I will carefully paste these paper into sticks. After pasting the paper completely on the broomstick, I am pressing the paper slightly so that it sticks well with the stick. Similarly, we will cover the rest of the broomstick with newspaper. After covering the broomstick, now I am using acrylic green color, and I will make these stick green color. Similarly, we will color all the sticks one by one and then let it dry for a while. As long as the color is drying from our broomsticks, let's make flowers of these clothes. To make a flower, fold the circle in the same way as shown in the video. I am using glue gun to paste the flower here, but You can also use Favibond. Be careful while using glue gun or Favibond, or you can take help from your elders also. Now, one by one we will make flower from all circles. After making flowers from all the circles, it will look like this. Now the color from our stick has dried up, so we will start applying these flowers one by one in our sticks. Now, one by one, paste these circle flowers as shown in the video. Here I am pasting the glue in between these two flower petals so that no space will be visible between them. And same process we will follow with each petals in different line. After pasting petals, it will look like this. After the flower stick completes, keep it side for a while so that it dries well. In one flower stick, I am pasting at least 10 lines of petals, or you can paste according to the quantity of petals you have made. Now let the flower stick dry for a while, and likewise the rest of the flower stick will also be made. Now same like this we will complete our rest of the flower sticks like this. Now I have used this ribbon to tie these all flowers together.